Imagine a time when one flower, just a single tulip bulb, could buy you a mansion in Amsterdam. Sounds crazy, right? Welcome to Tulip Mania, the world's first recorded financial bubble, and a powerful lesson in greed, speculation, and collapse. In the early 1600s, the Dutch Republic was one of the richest nations in Europe, booming with trade, art, and science. Tulips were a rare flower, newly imported from the Ottoman Empire. Their exotic colors made them a luxury item, a status symbol among the wealthy. Some tulip varieties, especially those with unusual stripes and colors caused by a virus, became extremely valuable. By the 1630s, tulip trading moved beyond botanists and collectors. It became a speculative frenzy. People from all walks of life, merchants, bakers, even farmers, began buying and selling tulip bulbs, not to plant, but to flip for profit. Most trades were done on paper contracts, promises to buy tulips at a future date. Prices skyrocketed. In some cases, a single rare bulb was worth more than a skilled worker's yearly wage, or even a townhouse in Amsterdam. But in early 1637, it all fell apart. At a tulip auction, buyers suddenly refused to pay the absurd prices. Panic spread. Prices crashed overnight, some by over 90%. The entire tulip market collapsed, and contracts became worthless. Many investors went bankrupt, not just the rich but ordinary people who had bet their savings on tulips. Tulip mania started when a rare and beautiful flower became a status symbol, then a traded commodity, and finally, a pure speculative asset. The result? One of the first and most famous financial bubbles in history. When people start buying something not for its real value but just because prices keep rising, you're in a bubble. Speculation is timeless. Even irrational assets can attract massive investment. Greed often leads to collapse. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. If you like this story of flowers, fortunes, and financial folly, hit that subscribe button. You're watching Fellow Investor, where we decode real financial history.